This is a very good perfume, and for me right now, this is one of my go-to perfume.
Happy Father's Day!
Yan, thank you. And of course, Happy Father's Day din po sa lahat ng mga father. Yan, oh, yung baby namin bumati rin Happy Father's Day. So, this is a new review for us. So, again, welcome to Pau Bango! Okay. Yan, it's a long weekend, so may maganda tayong chance na makapag-review na mas maayos. Ayan. So this time siya, ano bang mga re-reviewin muna natin?
Decant perfume and mga perfume that can be used for rainy season.
Yan. Ibig sabihin, ito na yung mga pwede naman natin gamitin ngayon, no? Mga new favorite muna natin for the upcoming season. Yan, okay. So, sisimulan mo na.
Sige, go.
Alright. At ang isa dyan ay itong Oud for Glory. Yan. So, for many, alam na ninyo na ito ay clone ng Oud for Greatness. So, this one, kaya ko to gustong-gusto kasi nga una, matapang to. And pwedeng gamitin sa lalo na sa mga klase na event. So, mga naka-tie, naka-boot and tie event, black tie event. So, ito yung ginamit ko last time na nagkaroon kami ng event sa Shangri-La. And it's really good. And talagang pang-klase siya na perfume. So, Oud for Glory, ito na ngayon yung isa sa mas madalas kong gagamitin. Depende of course dun sa mga pupuntahan. Very good, lalo na kapag air condition. Yeah. Tapos malamig yung area. Nako, ang bango nito. Yan. So, Oud for Glory, ito yung isa sa ko ngayon. Go to perfume.
Ayan, so sa akin, this is from Perfume Love Manila. Again, thank you, Perfume Love Manila. So, this is a decant perfume. So, this is Miss Dior. So, yan. So, Miss Dior are more on floral perfume. Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. Yan. EDP. EDT, sorry. Eau de Toilette. So, more on floral siya. But, hindi siya nagtatagal sa akin. So, medyo 2 to 4 hours lang siya. Pero this is a good perfume. Especially kung mas prefer niyo yung light, sweet scent lang. Or, for example, like me, work from home. So, pwede mo siyang i-spray if you want. Yeah, this is a perfect perfume. Yeah.
Alright, next naman. So, nilalabas ko na yung aking mga oud. This is Mood Oud by NXN. So, si NXN po, YouTuber din po siya sa Nixon. Ang kanyang YouTube channel ay yun pong Smelly Cat. Yan. Sa kanya po yung Smelly Cat na YouTube. So, you can check it out. So, matagal ko rin dito nagamit. And this is a very good perfume. And for me right now, this is one of my go-to perfume. Ang bango nito. Sobra. Lalo na kapag yung talagang malamig yung panahon at hindi sobrang init. No? Sa buong araw parang medyo nagbabago yung dating itong perfume na to. This is something different. It's like there's something burning incense na mabango na pleasing sa ilong. So this is Mood Oud again by NXN. So hi Nixon.
For me, next is Glossier You. So this is more on iris perfume. So, sabi nila, mostly sa mga nag-review nito, hindi daw nagtatagal. But for me, it only lasts for 2 to 4 hours. But this is a good perfume as well for layering. So yes, this is a good perfume for women out there who are looking for a perfume na light, sweet, and not irritating in their nose. So this is a good perfume.
Alright. So, ito naman. Ang aking isa sa favorite talaga ito, ever since nabili ko ito, yung Loyal Agar ng Luxodor. Grabe, sobrang dami hanggang ngayon, ang dami pa rin compliment na nakukuha ko dito sa perfume na to. So, as much as possible, ayoko siyang ubusin, pero siguro in time, no, I'll get another one because this is a really good perfume. Hot days, colder days, napaka versatile itong perfume nito. It's an all-around perfume and of course hindi siya sobrang mahal. This is a clone of Parfums de Marly. So ito yung isa sa panlaban nito dun sa mga mamahalin na perfume. And you can get this of course via online if you want this. This is really good. I still love this one. Now, Luxador Loyal Agar.
Next is Tiffany & Co. EDP Eau de Parfum. So this is more on light perfume as well. So I recommend this for clean girl aesthetic perfume. So this is a perfect perfume, but again, hindi rin siya nagtatagal sa akin. So that's the side note of this perfume. But this is a good perfume for layering as well. So there.
Yeah. Ito naman. Of course, this is Club de Nuit Intense Smell. Yung ano ko, isa sa pinaka-favorite ko, no? Na perfume ng Armaf. And this one is really good, very versatile. This goes to any occasion, anytime you can use this. You will never get wrong with this one, no, with Armaf. Actually, two of my Armafs are the best na perfume na meron ako. And it lasts long, no? Both of these, hindi lang last long within the day. Minsan nalaban mo na yung damit, meron pa rin. So this is Club de Nuit. Yan. Oh, hindi ka malaglag yan. So, alright.
Alright, next is Dolce & Gabbana. So this is the decant for Dolce & Gabbana. And this is the perfume. I mean the big bottle for Dolce & Gabbana. Yeah. So, yeah, there's a big difference. So, if you more prefer on a handy perfume, of course, you can use decant. But, of course, if you prefer on a big bottle, you can have this Dolce & Gabbana perfume. So, this is more on light and musky and sweet perfume. So, this is good for summer and rainy season as well. So, there.
Okay. So, last ko is yung Acqua di Gio Profumo. Hindi nyo na po mabibili ito. Wala na siya sa mga store, even sa restaurants wala na siya. Out na siya. Kasi hindi na sila nag-continue. So this is Acqua di Gio. Yan, Profumo. This is still the best. Lalo na sa any event and anytime po, pwede pa rin ito. And this is really good. Sayang, if you can still get this, go and get this kasi wala na to sa mall. Wala na to. Hindi na, discontinued already. Okay.
And last, so this is Moschino Bubblegum. I don't know. So this is a good perfume out there who's looking for a sweet perfume and a long-lasting perfume. So yes, this is good for teenager, for ladies out there who love sweets. So I really recommend this perfume, especially for air-conditioned room or place or sa office. Pwede rin sa mga college student. Yes, pwede to. This is a good perfume as well.